This is Samsung Galaxy A04s, and today I'm going to demonstrate that you can scan a document and later transform it into a PDF file using this device. So to begin with, the tool that I'm going to use is Google Drive app. It's a free tool or free app that you can get from the Play Store. That's the most the most convenient tool, at least in my book, so that's why I'm using it. So open the app, download it if necessary. Usually it comes pre-installed, so in most cases you will not have to download or install it. Then tap at this plus sign over here, choose scan option, grant drive the camera permission. Onwards, take the document that you wanted to take a scan of and make a good photo of it. Make sure that the document will occupy the whole viewfinder space. Then look at the result, see whether you're satisfied or not. If you are, you can proceed. If not, just redo the picture. At the following interface, you can crop this scan and frame the parts that you would like to be included into your scan or PDF file. Align it maybe, crop off the extra edges, and this looks pretty enough for me. Then you can just go ahead and save the file. You can change the document title and change the account or folder that it will be saved to. Now just hit that save button, wait for the PDF file to get uploaded to your drive, and here you have it. Alrighty, so that will be it for this video, guys. Thanks for watching, thanks for your attention, and bye bye.